So this is going to be a really weird video, but I can't figure out how to set this whole thing up. So I literally got my knees on the floor overlooking this bed here. I am starting off by clearing out the rooms now. And I have 2 bathrooms, so I'm going through one bathroom. I actually sort of work between the 2, but I want to close up one of the bathrooms, so to speak. And in doing that, I have to go through my makeup. And this is all my makeup. There is not a lot, but there's stuff here that will stay, and there was stuff stay with me, and then there was stuff that will go. So working from right to left, that's right here, which is your left to right, I will keep this. This is a bronzer, a chic bronzer, and I use it daily. It's cream, and it doesn't have, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it there? It just adds some color and depth to my face, so I will keep this for sure. Did I mention this might be a long video, even if I don't have a lot? I've got this eyeshadow from Revlon from when Nova was a small person, and as you can see, I have used some of it. So rather than just ditch it right now, I think I'll take it across the Atlantic with me. I bought this e.l.f. Cream blush. It's got this thingamajigger here. I'm just going to get rid of that because I have others. Mirror. Nah, I'll get rid of that mirror. Here is something new that I purchased. It's called Tattoo. Who makes this one, Carolyn? Oh, it's Maybelline. And it is a brush at one end, and it is got like a pencil-y thing at the other end. I have to sharpen this. It's not bad at all. So, because I was using the e.l.f. one, but I took a hate relationship with it, so I bought this, and I also bought something else, which I will show you once I find it. So far, 2 down, 3 are staying. Next, my Chanel eyeshadow, which costs as much as most of all this stuff put together. I will keep this. I'm going to try and use it up before I leave. So that's that. It's one of those things with a foot. And now that I've seen the light and actually understand that you can get really good quality makeup in the drugstore, I will never buy Chanel again. I also have Chanel Wise, not 1, but 2 blushes. I don't know, Carolyn. And essentially, they are the same color. I won't open the other one. They are the same color. So I will use those. Here's the other one. One's got a bronzy color in it. But you see, I don't know what I was thinking. So I'm going to keep those. And so that is that. Mascara. Essence Mascara. Brilliant mascara. Couple of dollars. It's British, I think. But you can get it in Ulta. I think it's British. Or maybe it's China. No, it's in Luxembourg. So I'll be able to get that there. That's something that's going with me. I need to buy another one of these. This is e.l.f. And what is this? It's like a setting powder. Oops. And I've used a couple of these. And it sort of has this blurring effect. I like it a lot. So I will buy another one of these before I leave, I am sure. So, Maybelline. This is Maybelline something or other. It's Maybelline Under Eye Concealer. I used it yesterday. There's very little left. I'm going to try and use this before I go. Use it up, actually. Here is the other mascara that I bought. It's eyebrow thing from Maybelline, and it's got this thingamajigger at the end. Very, very professional, Carolyn. I like this. I use that in combination with this thing. So That's a new try. I like those two, so that'll go with me. Here, this was a really bad buy. NYX. It is like a marker for your eyes, but I don't like it. Now, son of a gun, it works well now, but I don't like it because it runs. Ditching that one. 3 down so far. I also bought this because I saw it on a YouTube channel, and it is white, so to speak, and you put it, you can't even, oh yes you can, you put it in your eye, in the inside of your eye, and it's supposed to make your eye look brighter. I'm ditching that one. That's a waste of space. And then I have also, what's this one? This is another Essence, let me see. This is another Essence eyeliner, which I like. I will use that. The other one that I'm going to ditch, though, is a Maybelline one. I don't like that one. Moving right along. So I do have an eyelash curler, which I never use. Ditch that. And here's how they get me with Chanel, just so that you FYI. All the Chanel products come in, I'm sure you know, they come in this little case, which makes it really, really fancy, but doesn't add $30 or $40 to the product. So I'm going to ditch that. Let me get that there. That's the second round done. So far we're doing well. That's just a piece of paper. e.l.f. is a cream blush. It is peachy color. I like this. I like this a lot, especially in the summertime, so that is going with me. My sister actually sent me this Gatagno. It's an under eye concealer. She gets it in Britain. We put a little dab here. And I know Estee Lauder has something like this, but it is white in color. There you are. But when you put it onto your skin, it blends into the color of your skin. I like that. And I also keep it because my sister gave it to me. This is mascara. It's the step before mascara. It's white and it adds length like that. Continue that. In the ever-ending quest to reduce the dark circles, I did research and determined that you either use yellow, not on the eye, but underneath the eye. So I've got this yellow one from somewhere. I don't remember. What's the brand of this, Carolyn? It doesn't say. Oh, it's Physicians Formula. And so I have been using that when I remember. I have to be honest. And then I also have this e.l.f. one, which is orange. And let me say, it is orange. You know, it doesn't smell right, so I think that's bad. I think I'll throw that away. And then just 2 more left. I need to clean this out. Again, somebody suggested online the Wet n Wild foundation. It's matte, and it's not so great, but I will use it and then ditch it when I'm finished here. But I will take this because this is, I really like this. This is L'Oreal True Match, and it comes in this type of dispenser, and it's a serum base, and I like it a lot. It gives a nice texture, a nice glow to my skin. And that's it. Oh, wait, one more. I do have this little container that I made years ago, and it houses my lipstick, which, as you know, are not a lot. I recently bought this corally color lipstick. Recently, meaning maybe 6 months ago. I'll take that with me. Here's my American Doll from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You can see it. Can you see it? I need to buy more. I'll get some more of that. Here is another. Here, caught. Chanel lipstick. Very little left. I will use it, but it's not nice. But it has a nice case, you know, and I got hit in doing this. caught up, see? Okay. And then I have this one, which again, I bought on Amazon, and it is Poppy. It is made by, I don't remember. But what I don't like about it, I have worn it on videos, but it's got too much blue in it. It's a last resort. And I have this e.l.f. red pencil, which I fill in sometimes. So I really didn't get rid of much. Well, maybe I got rid of half a dozen things because I don't really have a lot. Now, let me just switch off, and I will go through my brushes. So we're back. I just want to go through my brushes. I don't have a lot, and I suspect a lot of them should be cleaned. But we'll start off with this sweet kabuchi brush. It did have a lid. I threw it away. I don't know why, but I use this for blush, so I will keep this. And here is my collection of e.l.f. brushes, which are very, very good value. You know, look, I'm not a professional. I just want something to stick the stuff on my face. So here's something that I use for powder, blush, powder, whatever, whatever one I grab. So those three I will keep. I also was gifted this by Merit, and this I use for that bronzer, so that definitely is going. This here is almost as old as Noah. It's not very good. It was a Sonia Rico, I think it's called. I got it in Target, but there's no oomph to it, so that'll be ditched. A pen. I suppose you could use a pen somewhere. Again, here is another e.l.f. brush, which is nice. I would think I use this on my eyes, so I'll keep that. This here is really good. My sister bought this for me years ago, and I actually use this brush when I put on a mask, a face mask, and it just sort of paints it on. I like this. I use that, and it was my sister that bought it for me. Here is, oh, we're coming down to the countdown here, Carolyn. Oh, another pencil. This is a brush for shadow. I'll keep that. And actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to be sort of conscious of what I'm using while I'm here. And if I don't use it, I'll throw it away. Here is a fine brush. I don't know, can you see it? I'll do it this way. Yeah. It's very fine. I use it sometimes for lipstick, so I'll keep that. And this here with an angle, sometimes I use that for eyeshadow, so I'll keep that. Didn't get rid of very much here, Carolyn. I bought this NYX pencil, which is pink, which is totally, totally useless, so that will be ditched. And here's another reason, voila, why Chanel. I bought Chanel because of these small brushes. Isn't that pathetic? So now I'm going to ditch that as well. That is my makeup done. There's nothing else. I have to clear out underneath the sink, but there's not a lot there. And I've packaged everything up in a small makeup case. Let me get that and show it to you. And then that is me with the war paint all sorted out. Be right back. And that's it. That's all that I have. That's all the makeup that we went through together right there. And hopefully I'll have less as I continue on the next couple of weeks. And that'll do. That's not too heavy either. That is that step. My goal is to actually clear out, as I said, the bathroom. I have to take down the shower curtain. I want to wash out the medicine cabinet where I housed all this and toothpaste and all that sort of thing. And then that room can officially be closed, and I can come on to, actually I'm going to come into this room because this is one of the bedrooms. It is, it's the one with all the boxes in it. As you can see, there's a red box right here. But, and it's the closet as well. There's not a lot in it because, as you know, I don't own a lot. But that's my next step for this coming week. Mission accomplished. Makeup sorted out. See you all soon. Toodles.